Went there and we looked at what was there. It was horrible. It was actually horrifying. By the time it was 8%, they had not opened the treasury, which they rooted in the last 2 weeks of power. Do you know how much rooting happened in 2 weeks? And we have got record and we've said publicly. Sorry, go and ask those who rooted. Go and ask Uhuru Kenyatta and his people. How much did you root in 2 weeks? You know, it was like a Scotch ad policy. How do you expect us to, on one hand, you've rooted the treasury. On the other hand, you've left us with debts. Unbelievable debts. And they know what they were saying because they knew what they had done. They had said, give these people until December. This government will collapse because they know what they had done. So we thank God and we thank our Kenyans for being patient with us. That despite the fact that we found a poison pill, that because they had set up conditions that could have led to the collapse of this economy, we were able with our Kenyans, because at the end of the day, people who we went to explain to them, Kenyans understand this is a situation. This is what I found them to be. By the way, you know, Kenyans are amazing people because they have been very patient with us. And